Welcome to MK Gaming Arena, another tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to back up your data and restore your data to PVZ Fusion new version 3.5. This is 3.4 version where my game progress is. You can see it here. And now in this video, I will teach you how to back up this file and install new one. At first, we need Archiver. To install Archiver, open Play Store and go to search and type Archiver and install it. I have already installed it, so you can see. After installing it, open Archiver. After opening Archiver, we have to create a new folder so we can find our backup file easily. I will rename it PVZ 3.5. And now we have to bring our current progress file of PVZ to this folder as a backup file. To do that, go to Android and data. From the data folder, find out PVZ Fusion folder. You can see for com.lan piao plant versus zombie. This is the folder. You can see it in the screen. Now open the file, and these are the files we have to back up. To back up, press and hold the files and copy it. Now go back to the folder we have created before. I have renamed it PVZ 3.5. Go to that folder and paste it. Our first step has been completed. Now go back to the home screen and we have to uninstall our existing APK of PVZ. So uninstall it. After uninstalling the APK file, now we have to install new PVZ version 3.5. You can see the description for the video how to download PVZ Fusion 3.5 with this card or without this card. And after downloading the APK file, install it as I am doing. Here it is. It look like this, and some of the features have been updated. For the information, you can connect with my Discord server. From there you can know about what kind of update has been made. So you can, in this 3.5 version, you can rename or make different profiles for the game. Now we have to restore our backup file so we can access to our old progress. To do that, we have to replace our old file to the new one. Open the jet archiver. From here we have to restore our PVZ 3.5 backup files to new one. To do that, press and hold and copy and move to Android data, and from data same folder as we did last time, and go to the PVZ folder. Okay, now in the file section create a new folder by clicking the plus icon above new folder and press OK. After pressing OK, press the backup file, and now you can see player data JSON file and save folder. Save folder is for the folder or profile you have created inside PVZ, and the normal player data JSON file is for default profile. So your files in whichever section you want to restore your file, we have to replace our new folder files to newer folder in save one or the normal default profile. After that, delete new folder and close the data archiver, and you can open PVZ Fusion new version 3.5 and enjoy your restored progress file. If this video helps you to backup and restore your data, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friend. This much for today. I will continue my adventure or any of the challenges of PVZ Fusion 3.5 in the hardest difficulty. So this much for today. See you again.